Here's a quick comparison between Base44 and Bolt. Base44 can make your dream into reality. You can just go ahead and add your prompts on the box and click on the arrow with an orange button on the right. Also, you can consider yourself limitless when you're using this site or this application. You can create at the speed of your thought and start building when you think of something. Now let's talk about Bolt. Bolt is create stunning apps and websites by chatting with AI. In here, you don't need codes. You just go ahead and put on some prompts, and now it will create you the application you need. Now, here's a table for a concise comparison. For infrastructure focused, Base 44 is all in one integrated stack, while Vault is developer friendly stack. For target user workflow, Base 44 are non technical founders, while Vault is for developers and technical builders. For customization ceiling, Base 44 is lower but faster to hit, and Bolt 44 or Bolt is higher or more flexible. So if you want a flexible and more professional application AI, Bolt is good for you. But if you want an integrated stack and friendly to use, you can go ahead and use Base 44.